Hi, this is Stephen Schulte with Stephen Schulte Heating and Cooling, here to show you that we are going to replace this old furnace with a new one, a new A coil, and a new line set. Right now they have the line set going outside that way at the backyard, and the homeowner wants us to put it on the side of the yard so the new one doesn't get stolen. So we're going to show you our finished product once we're all done.
And we are up and running. These units, you notice, they're pretty quiet. We'll go inside and take a look at the furnace. Here's a look at the furnace. We put a drip leg in it. Reflue piped it. It was rusted. Put a transition piece in it.